Nice clean up. Old and busted, new hotness. So I'm gonna use a bit of time lapse just to get this all reassembled. It's not going to be particularly difficult to do. However, I am going to make sure that customer collecting their bike, letting everybody know. This is the armature that the brake lever swings on, so I'm going to make sure that is greased. Nothing else will get lubricated, just that. I can't wait, look at the difference. One's silver and one was silver and then got rattle can black. Let's get to work.
The duck of the alley, the break of the day, they hit while I'm driving, something to open.
That looks so much better. You might have seen in the previous video, I was faffing around like ages. I just wanted to get the brake light spot on. Now if you even touch it, rest your foot on it, bop, bop, bop. Lovely, and I've got the return spring in. That one was a bit of a pain. I think a little tidy up's in order. That looks so much better than that. Of course it does. And the reason there weren't any pillion pegs, I actually removed them. They had been spray painted red. Because you would, wouldn't you? So every day being a learning day, and my first experience of a Honda Grom, you can't deny everything's looking so good. And you can see what was going on here. I thought, hey, let's just renew this rear set. Let's just take it away. And then I had a little go and I thought, that doesn't feel right. That's because that's a bolt, isn't it? That is a bolt that goes right through the centre of the swing arm to that nut on the other side, isn't it? So if I undid the nut and I tapped this bolt through, the bike is going to literally collapse in the middle and make me look like a blooming idiot, isn't it? Because that's going through the swing arm, there ain't nothing else holding it in. I thought I'd just replace this one quickly and then I could wrap it up for the day and just tidy up this area now. So now I need to find a way to brace the centre of the bike and hold it in place whilst removing the nut, tap this bolt through, remove that, disconnect the gear linkage, which is minging anyway. I think I'm going to stop at this point because if I just go any further, the bike will just cave in the middle. I don't know, it looks stupid. So I need to find a way of holding it up, but that's for another day. Look at the mess I've made. I need to tidy this up. And some of us need to go home and have our dinner. And we have to cook our own dinner. And walk our dogs and feed the dog and all that sort of stuff. So can't even put my gloves on right. That's the worst thing you can ever do. Go to the toilet with wet hands and go to put your gloves on. That's what happens. Because I just couldn't wait. I just wanted to see what was going on here. And now I'm understanding more about Honda Groms and how they're built. Anyway. Thank you for watching. And between now and the next video, I shall have myself a beer. But yeah, we're doing all right. We're doing okay. I'm just glad I'm stopping at this point. Thank you.